Hi there, welcome to Armored Printing. Today we're going to go over the new Sovol filament dryer. This is the SH02 and it is a vast improvement over the SH01. In this video we will briefly unbox this and go over the menu options. I have not used this yet, so this is just an unboxing and initial impressions. Sovol did not sponsor this video. However, they were kind enough to provide me with this dryer for testing. I do have the SH01. It gets the job done. It's not my favorite dryer, but it does work. But I'm looking forward to the upgrades in this one and seeing if that will be enough to make this my go-to dryer. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with. All right, so inside this box we have the SH02 manual, pretty thorough, tells you different material settings, display settings, all your basic, with some QR codes. So far everything seems very well packaged. It's got some nice weight to it. Specifications. Got a vapor release, 2 provisions for PTFE tubes, nice solid latch, some more foam packaging inside, power cable. Here you can see 2 reservoirs for some desiccant. You have your rollers so that this can be used to print directly out of. You have your openings here for the fan that is inside of here. So let's get some power over to this and take a look at the menu and see what this has to offer. Okay, so now with power going to it, let's go ahead and turn this on. And we see functional and your menu comes up. By using this gear icon, you can cycle through the different filament options that we have. We have PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, PVA, ASA, PA, PP, PC. And each comes with their preset temperatures, which can be adjusted, as well as the time. Temperatures range from 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. And your time limit goes from 2 hours to 98 hours. I will say I am very happy to see the time extend all the way up to 98 hours. The SH01, which I'll show you in a second, has a range from 6 hours to 12 hours and a temperature from 40 degrees to 50 degrees. So in that aspect, this is a big step up. Very excited to start using this to see how well it works. So next, let's grab the SH01 and do a quick side-by-side comparison, and you'll see that this has a lot more to offer than the outgoing model. here we can see the SH02, the SH01. As far as the screen goes, they both have beds. On this one, you have the option, like I said earlier, to go from 40, 45 to 50 C, as well as 6 hours to 12 hours. One thing I will say is that I have noticed that the timer on this isn't accurate, to say the least. That being said, this does work as a dryer, and it does have rollers in it for 2 slots of 1 PG filament spools that allows you to print directly from it. One thing I will say is I like the angle of the exit for the PTFE tubes on here versus the straight up and down. This makes for a smoother delivery of filament. This one does have the vent on the top, as well as the active fan that gets the temperature circulating, which you can feel in the cover, which is a nice nuance. I like being able to feel that. And this one does not have a fan. It has a minimal heater. So will it work? Yes. Would I recommend it? Not now that this one is available. I would, from a first impression, say go ahead and go with the SH02, just because the features that I can notice in it already seems leaps and bounds ahead of the outgoing model. As far as longevity and actual drying capabilities, I have not been able to put the testing in. However, after some time I will revisit it and I will come back and let you guys know my overall thoughts. But other than that, this has been a quick unboxing and initial impression of the SH02. If you have any questions or if you have an experience with this dryer, go ahead and leave them in the comments. If you like what you see, like the video, and if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.